Hey friends, welcome back to Explogz. Today's recipe is the sweet and sour tamarind chutney. Come, let's see how it can be made. Here I have taken tamarind, 1 cup, which I have soaked in water. Half a cup of de-seeded dates. 1.5 cups of jaggery. Add half a cup of water to this mixture and mix well. Leave it on low flame for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once it all starts to come together, you can add the spices. Chaat masala, half a teaspoon. Red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon. Zeera powder, 3/4 teaspoon. And black salt, half a teaspoon. Mix everything well and leave it on low flame for another 5 minutes. You can always adjust the consistency by adding water. So our delicious chutney is ready now. Next I'm going to strain this through a sieve. Allow this mixture to cool and store it in an airtight container. You can also freeze batches of these and use it accordingly. This chutney works with any Indian chaat and snacks. So do try this recipe and let us know in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then do subscribe and show us some love. Until then, bye bye.